Once upon a time, I was young and enthusiast like you are, and I love cars, and I like to modify them. And the Driven show gives me the opportunity to come and show my cars and the performance work we do in my business. Having said that, today they tell me that I should present my Mini. I have a love for Minis. When I was 16 years old in England, my first car was an Austin Mini Cooper. When I came to Canada when I was 20, I brought that Mini over with me, even though driving was on the wrong side of the road. I would like to show you what I've done with my Mini, and I hope it appeals. It's a 400 horsepower machine, and they tell me that that is going to be something I would like to, that I have to do. So I'm going to show you how my Mini sounds, okay?